Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Widya Stutihabi, 5th semester student, Chemistry Education Study Program. Here I will explain about modification of sulfur. Little modification of sulfur. Objective: first, to study several modification of sulfur. Second, to study characteristic of hydrogen sulfide and H2SO4. Literature review. Sulfur or sulfur is a crystalline solid that is highly reactive with all elements except gold, platinum, iridium, tellurium, and the noble gases. However, sometimes it exists in the form of a neat slip song. Sulfur usually occurs as sulfide and sulfate mineral. Sulfur is chemical element with the atomic number chalcogenide group 610 or via chemical element of the periodic table. Sulfur is an essential element for life and is found in 2 amino acids. In addition, sulfur is abundant, cheap, and environmentally friendly. In nature, sulfur can be found as impure or as sulfide and sulfate mineral. In sulfide minerals such as hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is a toxic and dangerous gas, not only threatening human physical health, but also causing corrosion of metal pipes and equipment in hot and humid conditions. Tools and material. Tools. Category 1. Beaker glass, measuring cup, test tube shelf, evaporation cup, Bunsen burner, drop pipette, watch glass, glass stirrer, tube comb, measuring flask. Category 2. Hot plate, analytical balance, distillation apparatus, farm hood. Material. General materials: tap water, aqueduct, copper chip, tissue, washing soap, sucrosa, ethanol. Specific material: CH3COOH, H2SO4, K2CrO4, and sulfur. Experiment work scheme. Modification of sulfur. Start. Blended 0.5 gram of sulfur in evaporation cup by heating the sulfur until it melts and freezes. Observe crystal strips. Yellow crystal. Finish. And start. Heat 0.5 gram of sulfur powder in the test tube while shaking the tube. Observe the sulfur color change. Brownish yellow. Finish. Characteristic of sulfur acid. Start. Heat a piece of copper inlet tube containing 1 milliliter H2SO4 or not boiling. Observe the activity in the test tube. Will the reaction equation. Bubbles appear in the tube. Place the filter paper moistened with K2CrO4 solution in the mouth of the tube or test tube in step 1. Observe the color change in the filter paper. Will the reaction equation. Filter paper that was original yellow, lumer with brown. Finish. Result and discussion. A first result. Treatment. Modification of sulfur. Blended 0.5 grams of sulfur in the evaporation cup by heating the sulfur until it melts and let it freeze. Heated 0.5 grams of sulfur powder in the tube. Observation. First, when the sulfur melts, the sulfur is red. Second, after freezing, sulfur forms crystal. Change color from yellow to brownish. Treatment. 2. Characteristic of sulfur acid. Heated a piece of copper in a test tube containing 1 ml H2SO4 or not boiling. Observation. Bubbles appear in the tube. Place the filter paper moistened with K2CrO4 solution in the mouth of the test tube or test tube in step 1. Observation. Filter paper that was originally yellow turned white. Patted sucrosa into the test tube and a few drops of concentration H2SO4. Observation. When heated, it turns into a black solid. Put 2 ml of acetic acid into the tube, 2 ml of ethanol, and 2 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Heat the test tube using a Bunsen burner. Observation. The heated solution causes bubbles to form and smells like an inflatable balloon. Discussion. Modifikasi sulfur. In the sulfur modification experiment, there were two different treatments, namely heating the sulfur in an evaporation dish and in a test tube. When sulfur is heated in an evaporation dish using a hot plate, the color changes from yellow to red and the sulfur melts. After being allowed to stand for a few minutes, the sulfur solidifies and crystal lines form. The reaction, the occurs are S plus O2 product SO2. They heat the sulfur in a test tube. When sulfur is heated in a test tube using a hot plate, after 5 minutes, the sulfur melts and the color changes from yellow to deep red. This is because there is an effect of heating speed, where if the temperature increases, the color of the sulfur will be darker. Sulfuric acid characteristic. In the sulfur acid characteristic experiment, the first thing to do is heat a piece of copper in a test tube containing 1 ml H2SO4. When heating takes place, bubbles are formed. Then after the heating process is stopped, the color changes from clear to brownish yellow. The reaction that occurs in this experiment is as follows. Cu plus 2H2SO4 product CuSO4 plus 2H2O plus SO2. Next is to put filter paper moistened with K2CrO4 solution at the mouth of the test tube in the first experiment, then heat it. When heated, slowly the yellow color on the filter paper disappears or turns white. The reaction that occurs in this experiment is as follows. K2CrO4 plus CuCO4 product CuCrO4 plus K2SO4. Then the next step to put cross into a test tube and 10 drop of concentration H2SO4 then heated using Bunsen heating. When heated, the color changed to black. And the last step is to put 2 ml of acetic acid into the tube. Then add 2 ml of ethanol and 2 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Heat the test tube using a Bunsen burner. During the heating process, the heated solution causes bubbles to form and smells like an inflatable balloon. The reaction that occurs in the experiment is as follows. CH3COOH plus C2H5OH plus H2SO4 product CH3COOC2H2 plus H2O. Conclusion. Based on the experiments that have been carried out, it can be concluded that the modification of sulfur can be seen from change in the structure of the sulfur itself, which is marked by a change in color and the formation of crystal lines. As for the experiment characteristic of sulfuric acid, it can be concluded that sulfuric acid has the property of being an oxidizing agent, which is called an oxidizing agent. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.